Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Which pattern of letters matches with this figure pattern? We have to find out. So we can see that this first figure is a glass, then comes a jar. Again two glasses are there, similar glasses and two similar jars. Then one glass and again one jar. So let's say if we represent our glass with the alphabet G and we represent our jar with alphabet J, then we can see that some pattern will be created, and that pattern of letter in above figure that is given in the question will be something like this is glass, this is one jar, then again two glasses are there, so 2G, then two jars are there, then 2J, again one glass, and then finally one jar. We can see this is the pattern that we are following here, and this pattern we can see is only in option D. So we can say that the answer is option D.